Stop guessing on why your Steam Deck stops responding to key presses during Emu Deck gameplay. This is exactly how you fix it without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to reinstall your entire BIOS collection, which is a total waste of time and won't fix the underlying input priority conflict. Before we dive into the settings, you need to understand the logic or you will just get stuck with a frozen character every time you launch a retro classic. We are doing this hand in hand and step by step, so you cannot fail this recovery. Here at Rexish, we are the authority on emulation stability and SteamOS controller glitches. The reason your button stopped working is that the emulator and Steam input are fighting over which one owns the gamepad, often triggered by a random stick drift or a background notification. You might think your deck is freezing, but the game is actually still running while your inputs are being sent to a ghost desktop layer. Here is a secret trick that other creators missed. You can force controller handshake without restarting by double tapping the start button, the one with the 3 lines, which toggles the input focus back to the active window. To fix this permanently, open Emu Deck in desktop mode. Go to Manage Emulators, select a specific emulator giving you trouble, and click Reset Configuration. This wipes the custom input maps that often get corrupted during SteamOS updates. Additionally, go into your Steam controller settings for the game and ensure you are using a standard gamepad template rather than a community layout with complex macros that can hang the input thread. If you want the secret of fixing the 200 MHz CPU clock bug that causes massive input lag in PCSX2, tell me in the comments right now. The answer is to reset your emulator configurations through Emu Deck and always use the double tap start shortcut to reclaim control.